watch news, please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. This guy's upset about his car, but he's approaching the wrong place. I guess this guy found somebody's hiding spot. Not sure if this girl needs help or probably lost. I had a girl running from somebody in the last video.
Y'all got me fucked up, bro. I paid my parking and y'all told my shit, bro. I'm about to smack some dog shit out.
Yo, can I help you?
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
This right here lets you know that porch pirates don't have a look. Anybody can be a porch pirate. This guy gets confronted for breaking into this guy's car. Doesn't seem like it goes well.
Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, what's up?
This guy gets caught before he can even act.
Get the hell out of here!
I'm dead the fuck out, bro. What's up, bro? Get the fuck in the car. Get your ass in the car, bro. I'm not playing. Get your ass in the car. Get the fuck in the car, bro. Get the fuck in the car.
This guy tries and see if he can get a blanket.
Who are you?
Sorry, dude, I'm trapped outside. I was wondering if you can help me with the blanket so I can go sleep.
Man, get the fuck on.
This guy's looking for pretty girls. You don't have to be on someone's porch to find girls in Miami.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, where are the pretty girls?
Who are you?
Oh, I'm just...
This lady decides to go shopping on this porch. She's trying to steal someone's mail. She could at least put her belly away. This lady's just been wandering around trying to open doors. I wonder what she has going on. Imagine this family coming through your backyard. Don't forget about your other options. One of my viewers says she had a great experience with the Amazon locker. Check it out. For some unknown reason, this guy's smashing the windshields of these cars. This guy steals this package and ends up on a flyer. Crazy. I didn't know there was bears in Orlando, and I'm from Florida. What would you do if this came in your backyard? I'm definitely going inside. This guy made a mistake and drank some apple cider vinegar.
Oh, that shit nasty as fuck.
Must have been a lot.
Oh, that shit nasty as fuck. Oh my fucking god. Oh, that shit nasty as fuck, boy.
No reason your package should be left out late night. That's a good way to get robbed. Please be sure to lock up before you head in. I've been saying this a lot, and I'm going to keep on saying it. The holiday seasons are approaching. Make sure you guard yourself and your valuables, please. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. This summer's real hot. This guy just stole the AC unit. The mailman does his job, and this lady steals the package. This guy's going around stealing door decorations. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. See you in the next episode.